Ingredients you will need for this recipe are potatoes, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, butter, olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and if you want them, rosemary, thyme, and cayenne pepper. Rinse and peel the potatoes, or keep the skins on for more nutrients. Bring 2 inches of water to a boil and place potatoes on a rack or in a steam tray. Cover and steam the potatoes for about 10 minutes, or until there's still slight resistance when cut in half. Or you can place potatoes on a covered plate or dish and microwave for about 4 minutes. When potatoes are cooled to room temperature, dice into about 1/2-inch pieces and smash and mince the garlic. Heat a skillet over medium-high and add the butter and olive oil. Add the minced garlic, thyme, and rosemary and cook for 1 minute. When the garlic and herbs are fragrant, add the potatoes, the remaining seasonings, and salt and pepper to taste. Toss to coat and stir every 2 to 3 minutes. Cook until potatoes are tender, brown, and crispy, about 10 minutes. Serve as a side to eggs or with your favorite toppings. Now give it a try and enjoy. Thanks for watching.